Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to find an old Binance account. First, gather all potential email addresses you might have used for registration. Navigate to the Binance login page and attempt to log in with each email. If unsuccessful, click the Forgot Password link. This process often sends a recovery link or code to your registered email, helping you regain access quickly and efficiently. If email recovery isn't working, consider using your registered phone number for a password reset. Binance often provides this as an alternative recovery method. Always remember to check your spam or junk folders, as recovery emails can sometimes end up there. It's crucial to verify you are on the official Binance website to protect your account from phishing attempts. Should standard recovery methods prove unsuccessful, your next step is to contact Binance customer support. Be prepared to provide identification documents, such as a government-issued ID, for verification purposes. Having any old transaction ID, deposit amounts, or other account-specific details ready will significantly speed up the process. Their team can guide you through more advanced recovery procedures. Once you successfully regain access to your old Binance account, prioritize enhancing its security. Immediately enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app for an extra layer of protection. Also, update your password to a strong, unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Staying secure is paramount for your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.